Yo, what's up? It's 9th of September, 5 minutes away from market open. This looks amazing. Look at this buy side. It's so close. And look at these. This is all low resistance buy sides. So once we take this, it's going to take this as well. And it's the same structure as yesterday. We have the equilibrium over here. We still haven't taken the target, so we have more chance of taking this today. And on the lower time frame, we have even more confluence. We have another SMT and another equilibrium hit over here. So guess what? This equilibrium gets hit. That means this equilibrium also gets hit because it's so close to each other. Now all I need is a break of structure. And so far I expect price above here to become a break of structure because that's the only way I can draw it out right now. And we have a nice bearish fair value gap here that I want to see us close above. As soon as that's confirmed, it's an easy long to all of these highs. I'm going to target this buy side because price will not stop here. Price will not stop here. Price might stop here. So this is very high quality, high probability target. And so there's a lot of confluences. SMT's equilibriums, we are bouncing from this hourly fair value gap. So yeah, I'm looking to trade full size today. Wanna be risking around $500. And we'll see. We'll see if we get a confirmed valid break of structure or if we keep dumping down. And we'll see if we even be able to take an entry. You know, nothing is sure yet, but either way, no matter what happens, it's all fine. So at market open, it's gonna shoot above this break of structure, right? And as soon as that happens, I don't think I would be waiting for a 5-minute close above this. I would simply try to enter long on the first fair value gap that I see on the 1 minute or maybe the 15-second. Depends on how it looks. Because I'm gonna be predicting a little bit that this is going to be a break of structure. And if I wait for a 5-minute close, which means it would be 9:35, I feel like I could miss this entire move because this looks so good. So we'll see. But I feel like I would long almost the first bullish fair value gap, and that would be a good trade. We'll see. Yeah, and you know, that 5-minute break of structure is also a 1-minute break of structure over here. So if we get a 1-minute close above this level, then that's a confirmed break of structure on the 1 minute. So now you see why I am not trying to wait for a 5-minute close above here. Because on the 1 minute, it's already confirmed break of structure. If we wait for a 5-minute to close, then the trade could possibly already gone. That's what I'm saying. All right, market just opened. Yeah, obviously. Right, so we need an SMT. We need an SMT on a fair value gap. Need an SMT and a fair value gap. That's it. Is this an SMT? It's equal lows. This could be SMTs. Okay, market gap here. Want to see a bounce into it. Is this too early or what? Want to enter here. But I feel like it could be too early. A little bit hesitant on that. Let's give it a bit more room. On the 1 minute, we need to close above this. That's a bad candle. I'm so glad I didn't react impulsively over here because we kind of had an SMT here and a fair value gap. But remember, we need a minute close above this, which hasn't happened yet. All right, we're trying to get back up now. SMTs, man, it is so volatile. We don't have news, but we are volatile. We kind of got to close above this 1 minute break of structure. So I think direction is clear now. But I haven't seen an entry yet. I see no SMTs. We kind of have an SMT here, but it's too small, man. That's bullshit. I need something bigger, stronger, sharper. This is nothing. What are you trying to do, NQ? What are you trying to do? It's not as clean as I expected it to be. Because as soon as market opened, I expected a nice, clean 1 minute fair value gap. At least that's what I require to take an entry, but this is not clean. This is not clean. No clean fair value gaps. So far, the only fair value gap we have is on the 15 second, which is so weak. And it's being disrespected. So that's already a big red flag. So I want to be a little bit more cautious and patient. We don't have to take a trade today. We do not have to. We are simply open to the possibility of taking a trade. All right, 5 minute candle's about to close though. If it closes above this, then that's pretty good. And it closed above. Kind of wicky, but it still works. On the 15 minute, closing above there would be also nice. Yeah, look at 4 hour. It's so close to taking this. It's gonna happen on this candle. It's market open, dude. Come on. It needs to happen. So it closed above that. Still chopping around. Come on, give me an SMT. Okay, this is an equal low. In this context, I would consider this as an SMT. With this candle. Look at that. We took this, but we did not take this on ES. And we are starting to displace. Now we're gonna look for this break of structure somewhere over here. Break above here, need a fair value gap, and we're entering. I will be risking 10 contracts for 500, around 25 points. But this needs to break though. I might not even wait for a fair value gap once we close above here. Because I expect fast price moves. I'm saying 15-second candle close above this, I market enter. I don't wait for a pullback. On the 5 minute, we close above this fair value gap and we create a break of structure over here, and we still haven't taken this buy side. Wait, did we take it? We did not take it. We create equal highs. So this high is so easy right now. That's an easy target. And what does that mean? It means as soon as we take this high, we have no more risk on the table. We put our stop loss to break even. That's why I am willing to jump in aggressively. ES is slowly inching upwards. NQ is just dragging here, which means there could be another SMT. Bro, what is happening right now? It's market open. New York session open. It's like, it's chopping like there's about to be FOMC statements, which there isn't any news. So this is very weird. This is very weird. Okay, we took this low out on NQ. ES hasn't yet. Technically an SMT. But we ran that over, so no more SMTs over there. Okay, I don't like this. We are chopping. We are not taking these highs. All right, but we have another SMT over here. This is super choppy, man. We're gonna need a clear shift in direction in order to possibly take a trade. Because right now, market just wants to chop us to death. This kind of price action is the most dangerous, because you will see a lot of false breakouts, false signals, and that's how you chip away at your capital. So right now, I need a confident close above these highs over here. And so far, we only had one body close, and the rest have been wicks. That's why I'm not in a trade right now. And even on the 5 minute, it's very wicky, even though we kind of close above here. Technically on paper, it's a break of structure, but on paper isn't real life. You need context. And it's 9:42, 12 minutes since market open. I mean, if market open did not make any moves happen, I think it's gonna be a long time until we get another volatile move today. So I'm thinking towards calling the session here. We'll sit around a few minutes longer though. Let's just see. Okay, there's a new break of structure I'm interested in, which is over here. I like these consecutive down close candles. So that's my new point, and the new S&T is over here. This is my new model. 15-minute candle is about to close really indecisively. Big wick down, big wick up, no market direction. But we have not taken this high. That is a very important detail. That's a very big clue, which makes me still bullish. But it's taken a long time. We just closed above that, and it just turned 9:45, which means we have a new 15-minute candle. This could be taken now because it's a new candle. So I want to look for a fair value gap. Honestly, I could take a trade because that's a confirmed break of structure. On the 1 minute, just need a clean fair value gap. But this is still very choppy, man. I don't know. I need more decisiveness. With the way this has been chopping since market open, boom, 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 boom. This little move is gonna look big because this range is really small. When in reality, this could just be another chop. So I am not convinced. And look at this tiny ass fair value gap. That's too tiny. Ooh, we have a big S&T here though. Big S&T. Right here. It's tempting. Give me a fair value gap. Give me a nice fat fair value gap. I might wait for 10 a.m. because every time I step away without taking a trade after 10 a.m. I realize my trade has played out. So I wanna see what happens at 10 a.m. because that's the next milestone for volatility. Okay. Seeing some displacement now. That could be my stop loss over there. Technically, this could be my entry. But I don't know, man. It's just too choppy. I don't want to be fooled into a trade. This is why context is so important, because my system has been flashing buy signals like here, like kind of everywhere, because it's choppy. And the context tells me it's choppy, so that's why I'm not just blindly following my system right now. Because after this kind of move, it's common sense to expect more chop. And guess what? Boom, if I took a trade here, I would have lost 500 just like that. You know what? Fuck this. I'ma call it. I never sit around this long, and I want to follow my rules. I do not want to make any exceptions. That's how you start unraveling and doing the wrong things. I should be really strict with my system. So, I mean, I'm gonna call it here. I mean, the system, the setup still has a chance to go up. It's still a valid setup on the higher time frame. It's still valid. All of these targets are still very high probability. But for me, I only look for 10 minutes after market open, 10 to 15 minutes, and that hasn't happened yet. And if the setup is not confirmed right now, when it's gonna be confirmed, I do not know. I could waste my entire day on this. So I'm gonna follow my rules. I don't care if the setup plays out right after I finish the video. What's done is done. NQ had a chance to give me a trade, but it did not take it. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.